This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 130RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 16 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, stove top burner, microwave, refrigerator, leveling jacks, LP detector, awning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 130RB is 2,080 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.